Are you being annoyed by the Wdc Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we walk through the Wdc library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Wdc library, the Windows Deployment Core module. It provides foundational localized routines for localized system imaging and unmanaged disk partitioning tasks during the OS setup phase, essential for the localized Windows PE environment to resolve hardware deployment manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Wdc is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wdc library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Wdc Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Wdc library. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Wdc library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.